Hello everyone. This channel will provide knowledge and the latest trends related to the manufacturing industry in an easy-to-understand manner using the ITID's knowledge. Today we are going to talk about failure mode and effect analysis. If you are involved in the manufacturing industry, you have probably heard this word at least once. In this video, we would like to explain the current situation of the manufacturing industry and how to utilize failure mode and effects analysis. In recent years, quality issues have become more diverse, complex, and sophisticated in products. Recently, not only market defects, but also quality fraud issues and defects caused by automation and AI need to be managed since the word quality has become more diverse. As a result, quality management needs to be strengthened. Failure mode and effects analysis is widely used to solve such quality problems. It identifies potential failures of the system, components, processes, etc. Understudy and analyzes their effects to manage risks and countermeasures. The procedure is as follows. Determine the target area and select the item. Next, enumerate the failure modes and write down the effects of the failure mode and the mechanism of occurrence, and the assumption and evaluation of tests and measures. Confirm and reflect test results. Failure mode and effects analysis is a study method to prevent omissions of investigation. You start with the apparent failure modes of the components that make up a product, and from there, potential product failures can be revealed. Because failure mode and effects analysis approaches from the principle of the physical phenomenon of failure modes, it is easy for engineers to think about them and widely used. However, we hear the following concerns from those who have actually implemented failure mode and effects analysis. Concerns about whether risks have been identified or missed in the study. Increasing complexity of products makes it difficult to judge where to start failure mode and effects analysis. Failure mode and effects analysis not used in the field due to inefficient operation. Thus, that cannot be fully effective if it is merely formally adopted, and in fact, it can be inefficient. Did you know that the standard rules for failure mode and effects analysis were unified in 2019? In 2019, the National Association of the Automotive Industry and the Association of the German Automobile Manufacturers have unified the rules for failure mode and effects analysis and developed new standard rules. The following 7 points have been enhanced by the unification of the rules. Structural and functional analysis using diagrams. System hierarchy. Linkage of design FMEA and process failure mode and effects analysis. From risk priority to action priority. Utilization of existing knowledge for development of derivative models. Participation of facilitators and experts. Complementary failure mode and effects analysis for failure monitoring and system response. In short, this failure mode and effects analysis standard rule is intended to address more complex products and to operate quality management more efficiently. We provide videos of online seminars on failure mode and effects analysis. At this time, the videos are only in Japanese. If you are interested, please contact us. Thank you.